Do you feel stuck in a loop of endless tutorials? You keep watching, but when it's time to code, you are lost. Don't worry, you are not the problem. In this video, I'll share 5 powerful steps to escape tutorial hell and start coding confidently. And trust me, step 4 will change how you learn forever. Let's go. I have been in your shoes. I spent hours watching coding tutorials, thinking I was learning. But when I tried to create something, I realized I did not know where to start. It was frustrating and made me question if I could ever be a real programmer. But here is the truth. Tutorials won't make you a programmer. Actions will. Follow these steps and I promise you will finally break free and start coding for real. Step 1. Shift your mindset. Programming is not about memorizing lines of code or learning every concept before you start. That is a trap. Instead, focus on solving problems. Think about it. When you face an issue in real life, do you wait until you know everything or do you figure it out as you go? Coding works the same way. The best coders don't have all the answers. They are just good at finding solutions. They Google, they experiment, and they learn while doing. So stop worrying about learning everything. Start saying, I'll figure it out as I go. This shift will make a huge difference in your coding journey. Step 2. Break down problems into logic. Forget about syntax for a moment. Before you write a single line of focus on the logic behind what you are trying to do. For example, let's say you want to create a simple calculator. Instead of worrying about how to write the code, think about the steps. Take input from the user, perform the calculation, show the result. Breaking tasks into smaller logical steps help you understand the problem better. Once you have the logic clear, you can Google or reference tutorials to learn the syntax. This approach teaches you to think like a programmer instead of just copying code. Step 3. Build something interactive. When people say do a project, they often think of static. But here is a tip. Build something interactive. Why interactive? Because it is fun, engaging, and teaches you how users interact with your work. For example, create a quiz app where users answer questions. Build a chatbot that replies to simple input. Make a game like tic-tac-toe. Interactive projects are more exciting to work on and teach you how to handle user inputs, errors, and logics. Plus, you will feel proud showing them off. Step 4. Learning through challenges, not just tutorials. Here is the secret step. Learn by taking coding challenges. Platforms like HackerRank, LeetCode, or CodeWars are perfect for this. Instead of watching yet another tutorial, pick a challenge that matches your skill level. These challenges force you to think, apply what you have learned, and find solutions. Yes, it is hard at first. You will struggle, Google a lot, and maybe even fail. But every time you solve a problem, you are leveling up. This kind of active learning sticks with you far better than passive watching. Start small, solve beginner level problems. As you improve, move to harder challenges. Soon you will notice you are not just learning, you are growing as a coder. Step 5. Join a coding community. Learning to code can feel lonely, but it does not have to be. Find a group of like-minded people who share your goals. Join a Discord server, a subreddit, or attend local coding meetups. Share your projects, ask for feedback, and help others solve their problems. You will learn so much faster when you are not doing it alone. Teaching others makes you a better coder. When you explain a concept, you understand it more deeply. So don't be shy, find your coding tribe. Now here is a bonus tip. Create a coding journal. Write down what you learned today, what problems you faced, and how you solved them. This habit not only helps you retain information, but also tracks your progress over time. Now, you know how to escape tutorial hell and start coding like a pro. So what's your next step? Are you going to try an interactive project or solve your first coding challenge? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear your plans. And if this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Let's build something amazing together. Thanks for watching.